dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see problem weak security in your Wi-Fi, so if you just open Wi-Fi and you see here weak security under your Wi-Fi, so what it means that you have no internet access, so your router doesn't work as it have, so you just need to fix it. Also, sometimes you just need to restore your Wi-Fi router or just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So another thing you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so you can also just go to the general again, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And the latest option you can try, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings, so just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.